Hi there, Yani here and welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updates when I upload a video. Hi guys, this is Yani and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'd like to introduce myself to you. I am Cebuana. I live in the US currently, and I do random videos, to be honest, like just anything under the sun. If you're interested to follow me, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell to get updates every time I upload a video. And as you can see from the title below, I am going to show you how I vlog using my phone. So let's start. Alright, so if you want to start your YouTube channel and you don't really want to spend a lot, there's really no need for you to buy expensive cameras like these. I prefer using my phone because it's easier, so convenient, faster. I also edit on my phone, and also it's a lot cheaper. So whatever phone that you have, you don't really need an expensive one. As long as the quality of your video is really decent and clear, you can definitely use it for your vlog. If you're wondering what I'm using right now, yes, I'm using my phone to film this video. I'll share to you what my setup looks like. So this is my phone. I'm using this goose neck phone holder, so I usually attach this on the table. I also have a mirror just in case I want to see myself, and I also have that cute ring light. Alright, so I have a few stuff in here. This is the Gorilla Pod. The nice thing about this one is that you can bend its legs. If ever you are alone, let's say you go to a park and no one is there to film you can actually use these legs to hug the branch of a tree or like anything just like that. Let's move on to this one. So I got this one from Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. I will try to find something similar to this from Shopee or Lazada for you guys out there in the Philippines. This is actually the cheapest one I could find. I also checked the prices for each item, and it would actually cost me more if I buy them separately. So I would really recommend buying it in a bulk. It's also very convenient for traveling because it's already inside the bag. Alright, ta-da! Here it is. So first one here is the mini tripod. To be honest, I don't really like this one so much, but still I paid for this, so I still use this one. This is still okay to use, you know. It's really small. I would prefer using this one, to be honest. So I'm just gonna use this one for this video. The next one that you will need is a 360-degree adjustable ball, and as you can see, yeah, it turns around. So what I would do is connect this one to the tripod. Alright, so now that you have both like this, you will be needing a phone holder. So it looks like this. It has a screw at the back and also here. So what I usually use is this one. So I'm going to connect this one here. So again, this setup can be used at home or outside. So if you are at home, you can use the small one. It's a lot lighter than this. So here is your phone holder, adjustable phone holder. You can just actually vlog like this, but I would recommend that you buy a microphone. That's why I bought this bundle, because it comes with a microphone already. This is the microphone. As you can see, it looks super cute. Looks like a flashlight, but it is really cute. If you have a microphone, you will need this. This is a microphone holder. You will need this one to connect your microphone to your phone holder. So as you can see, it has like a square shape at the bottom. You will have to insert this right here. Make sure to use the screw to lock it in. If you are outside, you will need this one. This is a furry windshield. You have to insert this one inside. So it will make your video a lot better because you wouldn't be able to hear the noise of the wind, and also it would lessen the background noise. I actually filmed a video outside using this setup. I will insert the clips after this video. So you will need to connect it here like that. Just make sure that it is really secure. If you want your microphone facing this way, you have to position your microphone first before inserting it, because I don't think it would move if it's inserted already. So if you want your microphone this way, then insert it this way. If you want your microphone facing you, then you insert the microphone like this way, like that. So just make sure to check your videos as well. This part over here can be seen in your videos. Sometimes it would cover the camera, so you have to be very careful. In using the microphone, you will need the correct wire. So this bundle comes with 2 wires. This is the 3.5mm smartphone cable. This is for smartphone, tablet, or Mac. It's still 3.5mm camera cable. This is for cameras, camcorders, audio recorders, and other audio or video recording devices. And it is very important that you have the right cable, else it would not work. If you are confused as to which of the two should be connected to your phone, you have to remember that this one that has 3 lines, this one has to be connected to your phone. And the one that has 2 lines be inserted to your microphone. So here it is. So I'm going to test this one out. So ito yung with microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. And then I'm going to unplug the microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Which one do you like better? I prefer the one with the microphone on. Just for you guys to know the quality of the microphone, we went outside and tested for you. So I'm gonna insert the video. Okay. Daghan kayo og tawo. I mean, daghan na siya ha, para dili doolon sa nahitabo karon. But mao ni siya without the microphone. So this is a test with microphone. Akong husband right there. And dito mo pa dool diha sa na music. Okay, testing with the microphone na ay fountain dito. So we'll see asay much better when it comes to recording without a microphone. And na ay airplane. Tanaw na to if madunggan airplane, di ba? Okay. Yeah, tanaw na to if maklaro pa gihapon ang voice bisag na ay daghang background noise. So we'll try without the microphone. So the microphone is unplugged. Airplane. Same ra gihapon na ay fountain, na ay wind, and we're gonna figure it out later asay much better or if the same lang without the microphone. So now I'm going to try talking without the mask on, since wala man kaayo tao diri, kadali lang. So mao ni ang audio with the mic, with the microphone. Good job. The microphone is already unplugged and mao ni siya ang audio. So as you can see, grabe kaayo. Mas nindot ilang nature direction kaysa sa amo ang bukid. Ay, nindot pa lang amo ang bukid, pero lahi lang kaayo siya kay preserve kayo ang mga trees, ligam. To me, the audio is better with a microphone and free windshield. I had a few videos that I couldn't post as the sound of the wind was just too loud and it ruined the video. I would really recommend it. And I really do hope that you find this video helpful. And if you liked and enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below for any recommendation on my future videos. And what else? Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And if you guys really want to start your channel, please go ahead and start. YouTube is for everybody, honestly. It's not only for those famous people. You can also use YouTube as an outlet. Just do fun videos, be creative, and I'm telling you, you can really learn a lot in doing YouTube videos. And yeah, that's all for this video. And yes guys, see you next time. Bye!